I just got this GLACIER Fresh water filter for our Samsung side-by-side refrigerator because I couldn't find a Samsung filter. It says it's compatible with filter model GF03G and our refrigerator, which is Samsung DA29 When you look at them side-by-side, they do look like the exact same thing. So let's see how it does. All right, we're locked and loaded. It was simple enough to install. And you gotta reset. Yay. Ooh. It uses activated carbon as a filter. I thought it would be really gross the first run, but it looks good. I'm still gonna run through a few more glasses to kind of clean out the filter. And then last, you put a little sticker on there that's in 6 months' time to remind you when to change the filter, but the alarm will also come on and tell you. Seems like it's a great filter. I am happy with our purchase.